and welcome to Taste of the Planet channel. Today we're going to see how to prepare an Indo Chinese soup, which is a Manchow soup. This Manchow soup looks a dark brown in color and it has a nice smoky flavor, and we can prepare this as a veggie soup or as a chicken soup. Today I'm going to prepare this as a chicken soup, and let's see the recipe now. Before that, subscribe our channel. After you subscribe, press the notification bell icon to receive a notification at once I uploaded any new recipes in our channel. First we have to cook the noodles. For that, boil water with little bit of oil and some salt and place the noodles. Let it boil. After it gets boiled, cook the noodles only for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the noodles gets cooked. And now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it. Now fry the noodles after the oil gets heated. Now flip it over other side and fry them until it becomes very crispy noodles. If you like to get a smoky flavor in the soup, then you have to choose a wok. So in a wok I heated some oil, and after the oil gets heated, I'm adding the finely chopped ginger, garlic, and some green chilies. Saute this until the raw smell goes off. After that, add the minced chicken. Saute the chicken in very high flame. After the chicken gets cooked, add the veggies such as carrot, beans and a cabbage. Chop every vegetables very finely. Now saute this in very high flame. Then add some pepper, some salt and 4 cups of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in cold water. Mix it well without any lumps and add it in the soup. Let it boil. Now add the spring onions. After it gets the soup consistency, you can put the flame off. Now the Manchow soup is ready to serve, and we can serve this with the fried noodles. If you like the video, press the subscribe button to get more interesting recipes, and see you all next time with another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.